Yeah. The fat Eminem after Kim left. Slim down, shady, throw shade on a slim thick. Coming off the top like skim milk. Silk flow, sick hoe. Put rubbers on my band for the friends that she came with. Hungry but the flow wet. Rap, I rock a dry fit. You eat what you are, but boy, I don't really eat shit, yo. Check, I wear gloves when I write. No fingerprints on the mic, yeah. Yellow tape when I butcher mellow beats. Drive slow, range roll, Cypher, say hello to bloody leather seats, Vultures left to feast on guts, past deceased beats. Meeks go, beast boy blunder, boy wonder, but I'm more like Donald Glover grown up. Gambino, Filipino, rep the Neuvmbr 000, horizon dawning on me, I'm on a rage against machines. Killing in the name, slay dragon with my pen game. Pull out game, sorta like Pendragon was my last name. Yo, check, bedrock, how we smashing Flintstones. Arsonist in the bedroom, banging to the same tune. When I put the fire to the booth, saying that you better, boy, you better bring the proof. Cause if you say it to my face, you'd be lying to the truth. Meeks.
Chillin' with the gang, we ain't got nothing to do. So Cypher up, we do it for fun. When we spit blue flames. No one really know our names. Not the type to tell you in the least. I'm the type to let my rap speak for me. So I'm a beast, go ham like gorillas. You know we bumping our chest, we acting like tortillas. We can never really flex, don't crack under the pressure. The heat's impossible to measure. So when it's out, it feels like orgasmic pleasure. It's true, I am your fears, we don't need no reminding. When I step in the place, I turn into a nightmare. Life got multiple layers, multiple prayers. Can't save you, an omnipotent savior watches and savors the thoughts of the sinners getting caught. Y'all were here, now you're not. Bodies overflowing up here in the sidewalks. Gutters filling with muck. The world gets rid of the sucky ones and replaces them with the young. Answered the phone when it rung. Now I'm shredding the scene. I'm like a man of your dreams. I be like pulling your spleen. I'm looking nice, but I'm mean. I'm a real life meme. We drinking Sprite, not lean. I'm like the Mega Supreme. So, yeah.
You came in, you're banging with some new shit. I be on my own, trying some new fit. You think you a slick, you need to get chick. You party all night, no you still not lit. I'ma fuck around and fuck your hoe, man. You should try your luck, I got pistol, man. Getting money, got that game control, man. You know how we do, 9K for show, man. Brought my bros and my woes, all my foes and my toes. Got your hoes in my clothes, they singing like Amber Rose. You know I'm a stunner, you tell it by the way I walk. You know what the stunner, you tell it by the way I talk. Just tryna get my next fix. Chilling with some bad chicks, watching Netflix. Wanna ride on my dick, you need a checklist. Yeah, and my necklace gleam in the light, shine so bright. Make you squint when you gleam on your eye. Yeah, make me bye-bye, yeah.
Look, on a new level ever since it was 1997. Haters love to hate, but they ain't on my level. Then pass me the shovel, I'ma bury the suckers, you know, deeper than a hole. Who's trying to give me a deep throat? Whoa, them fakers gotta go. Only the real ones gotta know. Yeah, got a ring on my pinky toe. Hoes and money, they come and go. No shoutouts to cold gold, doesn't matter if it's so old. Gotta keep that fashion statement, so I'm rocking with some gold. No bow down to your highness, Like LeBron, I'm striving for greatness. Money bag, gotta keep that pockets fat. Need some ladies shaking ass. Come over here, y'all know where it's at. Stan is the name, ain't here for the fame. It's just me, myself, and I, and my homies from 9K. Yeah,
9K, about to blow this shit up. Yeah. Hey, listen. I'm sick of your fakes, I'm sick of your lames, claiming they're associated with me just for the fame. I can still remember all the times you hated my name, and now my name is what you're screaming for. You start switching lanes. The only reason I switch lanes is when I drive it too long. 50 shading on the pussy while it's calling her phone. I like the way that she moans my face, she call it her throne. She could tell it right away that I was bad to the bone. Back to my hood, back to the streets, it's where I belong. Filipino gangster shit, we fight with no gun. You're still a pussy even with a gun, so you better run. You better call for the cops, you better call for your mom. And if you think it's just a game, it's like a grave where I'm from. You haven't proved anything, you're like a priest, you fuck none. And why you claiming in this jungle, you're the fucking Lion King. I pulled up in your block and you was hiding, fucking Lion King, bitch.
Got the crew with me till the morning, nah, nah. Yeah. So ladies come with me cause we're blowing up, nah, nah. So fellas raise your glass if you're with me. But just a warning, this will never end gently. Just a warning, this will never end gently. End gently. This really does not end gently.